Okay, so in this video we're building on our ideas of factoring that we've done in the past several videos, and we're moving on to talking about rational numbers and rational expressions. And essentially a rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction, so like 1/4, 3/7, etc. A rational expression is a fraction that has a polynomial for its numerator, a polynomial for its denominator, or both. So for example here, I have a rational expression. I have a polynomial in my numerator, x squared minus 5x plus 6, and a polynomial in my denominator, x squared minus 9. So what this problem is asking me to do is to simplify the rational expression, and the only way we can do that is by factoring. We're going to have to factor the numerator, then factor the denominator, and we're going to cancel out any like polynomials that we have. So, just doing some scratch work, I'm just looking only at the top first. X squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, and the only time we talked about a trinomial like this was in our previous videos when we were talking about the bottoms-up factoring method. So, my leading coefficient is 1. Multiply my leading coefficient by my constant term. 1 times 6 is 6. So x squared minus 5x plus 6. I'm looking for factors of 6 that add up to negative 5. So that's just that's just negative 2 and negative 3. Because negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6, so that check works. And then negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. So my double check works. So my two factors are x minus 2 and x minus 3. Now remember, bottoms up, I multiply by 1, so to undo that I have to divide by 1. But remember, for the bottoms up method, this number on the bottom comes up in front of our variable. So we have 1x minus 2, 1x minus 3. Okay, so that's our numerator. I'm just going to put that there just to let me know I'm done with that piece of scratch work for now. Now we'll do some scratch work for my denominator, the bottom piece. So I have x squared minus 9 in my denominator, and I'm going to factor that. Two pieces of square terms, difference in the middle, so that's got to be difference of two squares. So remember, difference of two squares simply just factored into a squared minus b squared became a minus b, a plus b. Okay, well, it's pretty easy here to see that a is going to end up being x and b is going to be 3. So that means our factoring rule just becomes x minus 3, x plus b. That's our denominator. Okay? Now, oops, and it's x plus 3, not x plus b. Now, I went through that pretty quick. If you need help with either of these factoring methods, I would definitely refer you to those particular videos. We're going to move on those. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and rewrite my rational expression using my factored form for both the numerator and denominator. So on top, 1x minus 2, 1x minus 3. On bottom, I have 1x minus 3 and 1x plus 3. So now what I'm looking for are like polynomial expressions. I've got to have the exact same thing on top and bottom. So the only thing that's in common here, top and bottom, is my 1x minus 3. So 1x minus 3 is just going to cancel out. And then the only thing remaining is going to be x minus 2 over x plus 3. And that's the simplified form of this rational expression. And that's it for this video. Pretty much, again, if you're good at factoring, simplifying rational expressions, it's just an extension, so it shouldn't be too difficult for you.